Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the current pet that can make your plants grow faster in Grow Garden. So you can obtain this pet by buying the jungle egg. I actually don't know how much the jungle egg costs. As you can see, it's here. It is the tree frog. It basically has similar abilities to the frog and echo frog, as well as the triceratops. So if you didn't get the chance to get those, you can get the tree frog still. Like, it's a new thing, the jungle egg. It is a rare pet. You can easily get it. Hatch chance is at 40%. So the ability is that every 3 minutes it advances the growth of a random plant by 15 minutes. So I really want to use it for my Crimson Thorn. Hopefully it goes through that, but I'm just going to put it in my garden. And yeah, if you have more than one, that's great. You can really advance the growth speed of the plant. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.